students, welcome to VZ. VZ Easy presents NCERT Solution for class 12, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 11. Chapter number 11 is Biotechnology, Principles and Processes. Okay, so in this session we are going to discuss two things. One, how you're supposed to write an answer, and two, explanation of a specific answer. So let's start with question number 1. Question 1 here says, can you list 10? How many? 10 recombinant proteins which are used in medical practices. Okay. Now, find out where they are used as therapeutics and use the internet. Okay. So let's start writing. So the answer here will be from the first thing, that is human insulin. Now, human insulin, when used with biotechnology, is known as Humulin or synthetic insulin, which is used for treatment of diabetes type 1. Second, tissue plasminogen activator. What does it do? It is a treatment for acute myocardial infarction. Okay. Third is DNase. Anything with ASE will dissolve DNA, RNA or any protein. ACE is an enzyme that will dissolve DNA. Now, DNase is an enzyme that dissolves a blood clot after a heart attack or a stroke. Now, palatal growth factor. What? Palatal growth factor. It stimulates what? Wound healing. Third, calcitonin. Calcitonin is used for treatment of rickets. Rickets happens because you have less vitamin D. When a person obtains calcitonin synthetically, it is used for treatment of rickets. Repro is for prevention of blood clots. Hirudin is used as an anticoagulant. Interferon, alpha, beta, gamma are the treatment of viral infections and cancer. Now, we've got chronic gonadotropin. Chronic gonadotropin is used for our infertility. It's a treatment for infertility. And lastly, interleukins are used for enhancing immune system. Okay, so we've got 10 recombinant proteins which are used in medical practices. Okay, students, so remember, I for insulin, T for tissue plasminogen activator, D for DNase, P for palatal growth factor, C for calcitonin, R for repro, H for hirudin, IT, students, what? IT for interferon, C for chronic gonadotropin, and lastly IL for interleukin. So IT, DP, Cristiano Ronaldo, HIT, HIT. So information technology, IT, DP, display picture, CR, Cristiano Ronaldo, HIT, HIT, and CIL, chill. Easy? So try remembering it this way.